dropping syllables on the digital like slow data. I'm original, making paper. Tell them haters see you later and catch the vapors like Biz Markie when I spark the Marley. Give thanks and praise like Rastafari. Sitting under palm trees, sipping on Dom P, listening to R&B. Let me work it. Yeah, when would I blow up? I used to wonder how I made my bread and butter. Vocal machine gunner, industry flipper, mic cord ripper, Hennessy sipper, mentally quicker as I deliver another hit, bruh. Total carnage, amps heat up like global warming. When I'm performing lyrically, I'm Michael Jordan in the fourth quarter, down by 2. And if you a bad chick, then let me holler at you. I gotta catch you, I'm past 2. You stiff at the statues, a senior citizens. And once the beat grab you, the feeling's intense. I got that Hitchcock flow, keep you all in suspense. Another mystery, where will I go from here? Still too early to tell, but you can better prepare for anything. And that's no lie, spotlight's on you. Yeah. Yo, not your everyday typical thug, dropping syllables on the digital like slow data. I'm original, making paper. Tell them haters see you later and catch the vapors like Biz Markie when I spark the Marley. Give thanks and praise like Rastafari. Sitting under palm trees, sipping on Dom P, listening to R&B. Let me work it. Center. Dope since I hopped out of the placenta. Round and Victor, and it got like into I'm the winner. I ask your girl what's for dinner, then I run in the abdomen. I smack her ribs, motorboat, both hands grabbing a piece. I'll be up on my biz, check the road, it's no time. But 6 minutes, I will after 6 minutes to showtime. Rhyme and Victor.